Okay, everybody, here we are, back together again at last for my post-market wrap-up on this Wednesday, January 23rd, 2019. So let's talk about this day a little bit. At the high of the day, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 297 points. Then we gave all of that back, went down into the negative 97 points. Then right up to the flat line, and we finished higher with regard to the Dow Jones Industrial Average, about 171 points. So crazy volatility yet again. And a lot of this, there's no doubt about it, because this is what we witnessed today again. At the low of the day, when stocks were down about, the Dow was down about 97 points, a simultaneous surge of buying. And this is the phenomenon that we see over and over again. This is the Trump Fed put. I have no doubt, and I'm sure you don't either, that this is the 6 banks who Mnuchin spoke to directly, explaining to them that this is what they were going to do. I also believe that this is a no-brainer. They're not buying this market with their own cash. They're buying it with yours. So they have zero risk in playing this charade on everyone. But that's what's going on here. There's no other reason on this planet Earth or off the planet Earth for the Treasury Secretary again to meet with 6 of the Wall Street banks, Jamie Dimon. They had a big sit down, Mnuchin, Jamie Dimon, the other 5 CEOs of these Wall Street banks, to say, okay, this is what we're going to do. We're going to make sure that whenever this market goes down, you guys are going to step in and buy it, because the Fed now is playing ball. And they're going to suppress rates from here until your eyeballs fall out of your head. So with that said, I did change my perspective on the markets here. If you were to go to my website, traderschoice.net, there is a link in the description of this video. Lion's Corner, I put short there. I have myself taken up a short position against SPY. You know how I play these kinds of things. This is a naked put, which I've bought. It's an initial small position, which I plan on adding to only if it moves in the direction I believe it will go, which is lower. If it doesn't, I close that position with a minimal loss. This is how I always, and if I did not say it, always set up my trades, especially when I'm doing something naked. You know what I mean? And for all of you out here, please take advantage of this. On my lovely website, traderschoice.net, you will find a link to my publications page. Please go download. It's 100% free. Literally. I don't even ask for a penny. Nothing. The one rule you must never break when trading stocks. And just download that, and it'll make your life a lot easier, understanding how to play naked positions the right way. Otherwise, you're going to get yourself hurt. And I do not want to see that. You understand? Anyway, so that's how this day played out here. Markets all over the place. Stock market absolutely disconnected from reality. Completely off the Richter scale, dysfunctional government here. We find out that Nancy Pelosi is now telling the president, oh, no, you can't come to the House and do your talk. No. I mean, are you kidding me? This is what we have devolved into while the people get held hostage? It's incredible. You would imagine that alone would be enough to, sway the stock market. And in a normal environment, it would. But not when you have a Trump Fed put and 6 of the world's largest banks buying the market. That's what they're doing. But we'll see if they have enough power here to stop what I believe is still going to happen, a retest of the December lows. I really still feel that way. I can't imagine a way out unless, of course, a real deal with China is made. As far as China is concerned, it's way, way off. And who knows what kind of stories are going to be floated out. Who knows what kind of nonsensical fake news they're going to put out in front of everyone to try to make everyone think, oh, well, this is just the greatest it's ever been. You know that, right? All right, with that said, let's reconvene tomorrow in this lovely spot. It's going to be all kinds of fun. See you then.